Hey, it's Greg Luther, and I'm actually just getting ready to head to the airport. Hence, you caught me in some casual wear, getting ready to take a flight down to Florida. We have some important meetings tomorrow, and I wanted to touch base with you on a couple of things. Namely, you as a real estate agent, what are you using for offers in your marketplace? How are you picking up buyers and sellers? And do you have a strong offer that they say, wow, I want to meet with you. I really want to gain access to that. Where most agents mess up is I better set my bag down here for a second. Where most agents mess up is they're spending all their time saying, hey, you should work with me. I can represent you. Nobody wants you to represent them. So if you have a good offer, there's a very, very good chance you're going to pick up a lot of buyers. The reason this comes up, just today I was checking emails from all of these agents that are using their Facebook advertising to generate lots of buyers and sellers. The advantage with Facebook, of course, is they can kind of find out a little bit about who you are, but more importantly, you can build that trust, authority, and credibility. And if you have a good offer, they're going to, be attracted to you like a magnet. A couple of the agents I heard from today are generating 8 to 10 good quality leads every single day utilizing their Facebook page. So I'm actually headed down to Florida here this evening. We've got some video marketing and training and stuff we're doing down there, and I've got a couple of important meetings. And what we're doing is we're actually showing agents how to grow their business utilizing Facebook ads. I actually put together a video that we're officially launching tomorrow. So if you're watching this live or immediately after live, it's going live tomorrow. You can get early access to it, but it's about how you grow your business utilizing Facebook ads. You can use a lot of the free stuff, and some agents are going to be doing $5 a day. So I want you to check that out. You can you're getting early access here. You can go to adsforclosings.com. So if you want to see the ads that are actually working, go to adsforclosings.com. You'll be able to see a video that my Facebook guru, Derek, him and I put together a quick training video on how that works. And we actually have a very strong offer on there as well. To give you an example of what a good offer is, I just kind of mentioned it on a Facebook Live yesterday. We had 72 people sign up today. 72 people signed up because the offer's so strong. I also kind of put a little bonus in there for the first 100 people. So for those of you that do want to check it out before I officially go live tomorrow with this information, you can go to adsforclosings.com. You'll be able to see here's how you generate lots of buyers and sellers in today's marketplace. Here's how you use your Facebook page, even if you've never really used it for profit in the past. So if that's helpful for you, make sure you like this video, by the way, and that you're following our page. Obviously, we've got a lot of free information and training and helpful advice that we give you. Sometimes I even give away some of the ads and forms that we utilize so you can copy it yourself. So make sure you get access to that. I'm heading off to the airport right now, getting away from the cold for a couple of days, but doing some major work down there as well. So check it out, adsforclosings.com. Let me show you some ads that will get you the closings you need. You should see it in the description here somewhere. But again, make sure you're following the page. Check out that video today because more than 100 will be gone by tomorrow. You want to do it today. I think it'll really help you in growing your individual real estate business. We'll talk to you soon. I'm off to the airport and we'll see you. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.